Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at URMA, and today we will talk about milling tools. With more than 60 years of experience in manufacturing tools and of course using also our tools ourselves, we know exactly what milling is all about. Milling is a very efficient method to remove a lot of chips on your component. It is used to machine a lot of different materials like steel, plastics, or stainless steels, and it is widely used on machining centers. There are different kinds of milling tools available, such as face, shoulder, thread, or even high-feed milling tools. With face milling, for example, a flat surface gets machined. You do that by clamping your part, for example, into a vise and moving over the piece with a rotational movement of your shell mill, for example, to create a perfect, even, and flawless surface. A good milling tool can be recognized by its productivity, such as material removal rate, high feeds, high speeds, and also the depth of cut, which is also known as AP and AE. Of course, also the surface quality plays a very major role in the selection of your milling cutter. Our precision milling tools are designed for high volumes and meet all the requirements for highest productivity and surface finishes. Do you want to know more about milling? Do not hesitate to contact us.